Yesterday I gave you the questions from the 15 questions I told you in this class. I made solution of this question, and I gave 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 questions as an assignment. Some students have asked me the question number 20. Okay, so I am just telling you the question number 20. What the question number 20 is saying here, you may see the question number 20. Clear? What is the question number 20 saying here? Right now, solution. Here the expression you may see, it is the sine of theta here. This type pattern is sine of minus theta. Is that clear? But it's for inverse. So first this is to be solved here. So I think you really well remember here. Does we have studied here the pattern sine inverse of minus theta? Means if for the inverse function negative of the domain, what happens here? Minus of this happens here. If negative of the domain is done here, the range will also become negative. Is this true for that here? For your confirmation, I just want to tell you the identity. Is there working? I just remember, but you have to be confirm about yourself that negative of that here. You may see this is the identity. These identities are here. Negative of the domain. So range becomes negative here. Right now. So what the formula can be employed here? So you may just see here. Therefore, it can be written as sine of what? Pi by 3 minus sine of inverse. Here what can be written? Minus. So minus minus plus will become here, or here will become half. Is that clear or not, guys? Right now. Now further what can be done here? This it's a pi by 3, not the pi by 2, and so 1 by 2 is there also. So we have the two chances here that it's a plus b is there. Right now pi by 3 is there. So what can be written as sine inverse 1 by 2. So further the method of solving questionnaire is I am telling this the questions here. What is it saying? Pi by 3 there, right? So further sine a plus b can be implied here. What the formula is? Sine a, one trick I am telling you, a plus b type pattern we are obtaining in the 11th class. Sine a, the formula is what here? Cos b plus cos a and sine b. This pattern we are obtaining here. So in this place what can be written here? This is the expression that is what coming here, this, right? So further the expression can be written sine a means sine of a cos b sine a cos b, is that clear? Plus cos a sine b. Sine b is this here, right? So how this can be solved? Sine pi by 3 means 60, it shall be root 3 by 2, and here this is the cos of sine here. So this type situation is to be created here, f inverse of f or f of f inverse. Clear? So in that here you can simplify the expression in that manner. Let this is a for some angle x it is, okay, it's perpendicular for sine 1 and 2. So what the base will come here? The base will come root 3. So for this I think here cosine of, so here if we want to write cos inverse, so it shall be root 3 by 2. Is that clear? Plus cos pi by 3 is what here? 1 by 2. Clear? And here sine inverse of sine here will what? 1 by 2. Clear? The expression can be solved here as it's also 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 3 by what here? 4, and here 1 4 will also here. What shall be this further? 1. So the question is being well solved here. The 1 is coming here right now. So it depends on what identity you are getting matched with that, okay, right now. So for this learning, how do I think and how one can think very easily the questions? You have to see for a 20 and 10 minutes continuously to see the identity, what pattern exactly are they, understanding their pattern also right now. So what the right option for them is, please? The right expression for that, right? So it's giving you this 1. 1 is the right answer. Now see the question number 21. Can you solve the question number 21? Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus of root 3. Can you solve this? Same identity is to be employed here. This cot of minus theta, does it work for the cot? Negative of cot, tell please, does it work? So you need to remember again, because you don't forget it right now. Is it working for the cot also? It's working for tan, it's working for sine, and it working for cot. Is it not here? Cot is working for cot, is not working for cot. So in place of cot, when negative of the domain is done for the cot inverse, pi minus cot inverse comes here right now. So this identity is to be there. First time you have to see the pattern, later you will do the questions here. Okay. So in this place what you will write? So here tan inverse root 3 minus, here we will write what? Pi minus plus cot inverse root 3 will be there. Okay, this that you may see. So tan inverse root 3 cot inverse root 3, what we can speak? The function is same, but the function is different and domain is same. So what is to be done for that here? For the same domain, this type pattern is creating a tan of x, I think a tan inverse t inverse of x right now, plus or minus t dash inverse of x. Do you remember this one? Does it work for plus or minus? Right now, what type of identity is coming here? So you may just think it, what type of identity is coming here. Is there any identity there with the common? So you just again to see here, same different domain, same means complementary there. Are they here also? Same domain but the different, but as a plus this is coming here. Is it coming at minus here? No. So will it work properly? Right now you may see this is, will it work properly or not? What type of expression is there? Sorry, the expression is what? Yeah, is there in pattern? Yes, it is working as plus. So will it come in use? Obviously. So in this place what can you write? Tell please, what can you write? So obviously you can write pi by 2, minus pi is also there. So half pi and full pi, what shall be? Minus pi by 2. What is the right answer for that? B is the right answer. So this actually, I also have this, you have seen here the identity from the back here, but you just have to remember whether what will come here. So main task here to learn the identity of the chapter. Okay. So these two questions the student have asked me, they are very easy, some expressions are here. Now we are proceeding our study toward the miscellaneous. Okay, what type of expression is there? So like that you are writing here sine of, I am telling this, sine of inverse of sine of 3 pi by 5 you will write. Okay, and obviously you will observe here f inverse of f is of x is equal to x. So student can speak here the answer 3 pi by 5, but this is not answer here, this is not a solution. Why? Because 3 pi by 5 does not belongs to the range of, range in the sense, what is the range of sine inverse function? Its range is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, and its value is what here? Obviously more than pi. So this will not be a solution here. Is that clear guys right now? So first need to make the domain below, means under the range, minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2, this range is to be there. So sine inverse, and here is to be taken what? Sine inverse 3 pi by 5 right now can be written pi minus pi by, tell please, pi minus, here this further can be written pi plus, wait a minute please, 3 pi by can be modified as a pi minus 5 minus 5, 2 pi by 5 is there, 5 3s are 5, 5 minus 3 pi by 5, is it here? What is 2 pi by? Means 18, I think here's 36 right now, means pi by 5. What is pi by 5? Pi by 5, it means simply 5 3s are 15 right now, and 5 is 36 is pi by 5. So 36, 2 times 36 is there, 72. Is 72 coming in the range here? Obviously it's coming here. So you will 2 pi by 5 you will take here this. Okay, so this could be broken as, I'm telling this how this can be broken as. So here will be pi by and 2 pi by 5, this can be written as. Is that clear? So what will here? Sine multiple of t trigonometrical term pi minus theta is equal to d theta as a plus or minus. So this is the second quadrant, sign is taken positive. So here will what? It can be taken as sine 2 pi by 5, and here will what? Sine inverse of that. Clear? So again this is coming, a solution is coming 2 pi by 5. Is it solution here? So yes, it may be here. Why? Because 2 pi by 5 belongs to the principal range. Clear guys? Well understood. So this is solved here completely. Now see the next question. What is it saying here? The next question. Sine inverse 3 by 5, you may see. Sine inverse 3 by 5. Yes, you have to find out this here. So pattern is what saying here. You may see, if you will see the pattern here. So sine inverse of 3 by 5 and sine inverse means we can speak here sine inverse of 3 by 5 and minus of sine inverse 8 by 17. You just see here. It means the trigonometrical function this type, t inverse of x minus t inverse of y. Is any identity we have studied for that, plus or minus? So we'll say we not studied about the sign, we have studied only for the 10, only for the 10. This type of identity we have studied only for the 10, right? Plus minus, not for the sign. So obviously sign it cannot be solved directly, right? You may check this also, right? So we need to first convert them into the 10. How can we convert them into the 10? So you just may understand this is whatever this for the sine x, it's what 3 or it's a 5. So what shall it be? 4. And what next also be there for that? Again it's a cos for it's sine 18, it's 17. So what shall be it is? It is this is 289 minus 64 under root. What will it is? Please tell me. 225. So it shall be 15. Clear guys? So what we can understand here? So for this situation, for sine inverse 3 by, so for sine inverse 3 by 5, we can write here 10. 10 how can be? 3 by 4 can be written as 10 can be written as 3 by 5. So 10 is equal to what? 3 by 4 can be written, minus here also 10 can be written. What is 10 here? Please tell me. 8 by 15 is to be there. Now identity of 10 can be employed here. What the identity of 10? 10 verse x, 10 verse y is equal to 10 verse x plus y 1 minus xy. So here is to be written here 10 verse 4 plus 18 by 5 divided by 3 by 4, 18 by 5. Clear? And further is to be there 10 verse, what is there? So LCM, you may solve this. 1545 plus 20 32 divided 4 into 15. Do not compose them, whole divided by here together what? 60 there, and here together what? 3 8s are 24 divided by 4 into 15 obviously, and further to be this cancels. What is their sum? There is sum coming 77, and what is their difference coming here? 24. So 36 is coming here. Yes, and here will be 10 verse x, right? Further can we solve them? No. So is this answer coming here 84? But no, it's a cos is to be brought here, not the sin is to be brought, cos is to be brought. So how can we bring this? I'm telling this the method of bringing that here. Cos again is 10 means 77, is 36 is there. We have to bring this. But what the question is asking here? The question is asking 84 by itself. Is there something mistaken here? You may check this. 4 3 4 by 3 8s are 4 8s are 32, 15 3s are 45, 15 4 is there, and 5 4 is 60, 3 8 24, 60 and 24, 36 coming 36, right? and what the third side will come here? It's a 77 square plus 36 square. So what will come as? So you need to find out the third and write down the cos 36 by something else. Is 36 the multiple of that? No, 36 is not. 84 by 85 is coming here, right now. So what is that here? So another method is also there, means the first method there is something mistake here, you may check this. Sin inverse 3 by 5, correct. Sin inverse 3 by 5 is okay, 3 by 5 right now. So here will be, wait a minute, 3 by 5. So cos is what? 3 by 4. Sin inverse is 18 by 8 by 15, okay. 8 by 17 right now. Base is brought here, it's a 4, it's 15, 17 square 289 and 8 square 64, 8 5 and 2 and 2 is there, 225. The square root of 20 15. So 10 verse 3 4 correct it is, and 8 by 15 correct it is. Formula for that, yes, we employ the formula here minus and here plus for come minus. So we employ the formula here for that wrongly, for we employed the formula for plus. Clear? So here will minus occur, here will plus occur right now. So what is the minus here? So 445 minus 32, what will come here? Minus, tell please. 45 minus 32, 15 will come here. No, 13 will come here, it is. Yes, 13 will come here right now. So it's to be written here this 13. 13 will come here right now, and here plus will. So plus as 84 will come here. Obviously 84 will come here. 84 will come here. It's 84 right now. This here that. If you want to find out the cos inverse, so cos inverse, this base is coming 84. Clear? Or it's what coming here? Perpendicular. The perpendicular is 13. You want to find out this. So this will come as answer 85. So your answer will be based upon hypotenuse. It's answer here. This is one method to solve here. Why I told you this method? I am telling you. The method I am telling you, this reason is that this method is very common to all. However, another method is also given in your NCERT textbook right now. You just have supposed here the quantity. I am telling this method also right now. This is a quantity. So you will suppose as a x some quantity you will suppose. You can also suppose here sine of inverse the 3 by 5 as a alpha you can take here right now. So what it shall be here alpha. So here you will write sine of alpha is equal to 3 by 5. You will just bring into the cos, is that because cos is to be found out here right now, and in the same sense you brought here cos. So what will be cos? Cos is equal to cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Here we have it has brought here by the that method, but I did not this. I brought this by the method. Clear guys, right? So I will suppose here this using. Next, similarly, again, it's coming here sine inverse. It's what here cos inverse. It here tan inverse. Obviously, so what method you employ? Now this method will come in use. It's a 12 by 13. So Pythagorean triplet through you can just write down here. So 12 by is a 13. This will be 5 for this. So what will be in this place here? You can write tan inverse of, here you can write 12 by 5. Clear guys? Now again plus in this place, what will here? Please tell me. It's a 4 by 4 or 5. What shall be? It is 3. So for tan inverse, what you will bring? Tan inverse 4 by 3. And the last is what? Tan inverse 63 by 7. So you need to solve this. This to be solved by this identity is before you. Obviously, you may see this is here. This will come here minus of theta, and for this to be used here. So what the method I am telling? This is very easy sum. Clear? See the next also. Here that what kind of question is there? Simplify. It's important question that comes in examination. Usually this happens. Okay. So I am telling this question. How to solve this question? How this expression is saying? is what here A is there. Okay, this is A. So the method of solving this question, I'm telling this, simplifying tan inverse. So tan inverse of A cosine of x and minus B sine of x, and here B cosine of x plus A sine of x. You will see this. So here the tan inverse here. So this bracket to be solved here in the manner here, f inverse of f is equal to this type situation is to be brought here, then it can be solved here. It means within the parenthesis tan function is to be brought. For this, what we'll do here, so we can just bring here, if we'll divide the whole, here will come 1, so tan can be brought as tan x plus y. You just understand, it's a tan x minus tan y divided 1 minus plus tan x and tan y. This is for plus, okay, it is minus, and this is for minus. Is that clear? So this type situation can be brought here, but here is to be 1, 10 is to be there. Clear? Or also we can bring here 1. So what you will do for that, we also can bring another method, I am telling. Okay, so here if I will take as a pi by 4, here I will take some quantity. So what will it is? So it can be written as a 10 pi by 4 plus x there. So it shall be 1 plus what will here, 10 of x and 1 minus 10 of. This is very important identity. So can we bring this same here? Obviously A cos is to be divided here. So is it the method working? Obviously we can do this. So the questioner has divided here this with the what quantity is to be yes, B cos, okay, is to be used here. This is coming A by B minus 10 and plus A by B is also coming. So in that place here I told you what? I told you this, and if 10 of pi by 4 and plus x. So in that place I can write here 10 pi by 4 plus 10x divided by 1 minus 10 pi by 4 into x. This is that. In place of 10 pi by 4, what I will write here? 1 I will write here. So in the 1 plus 10x, 1 minus 10x. So you may say this is x is here. So what coming? This is 10 pi by 4. So here can be written as this. You may see this is what is. So what type of expression is before you? You may see this is. Is that clear, guys? So here will come A by B 10x and A by B. So in this place, what could be written here? I think is a quantity looking like what? I am telling this what looking like this is. The identity we have said 10 inverse of x plus y is equal to 10 inverse, okay, this here x plus y divided 1 minus xy, this type. So this is looking the same here. 10 inverse, it's a x, it's a y, it's a, right now you may see this is. So what in the place of that we can write here? So in the place that can we write here 10 inverse of the first quantity what? A by B, and the second 10 inverse of the second quantity is what here? 10 inverse of x. Clear, guys? So let this is here. So it's cancel here 10 10, it's x coming here, 10 inverse A by B is there. A very simplified expression is before you. Further it cannot be solved. Right, guys? Well understood you? So now next question is also to be done here this by you. Can you solve this or not? What decisions to be taken here? Obviously it's a 10 inverse of one domain, 10 inverse of second domain. Directly the formula will here 10 inverse x plus y. Okay, how can we do this? I am telling this, it's very simply. Look, what is it saying? The pattern we are observing is 10 inverse x plus 10 inverse y, means the same function and different domain. The function is same but the domain is different. So what is that? 10 inverse of first domain, second and 1 minus first second. Is that clear? So what can be written this as? I am telling tan inverse what? 2 of x plus 3 of x divided 1 minus 2 f x and 3 f x. This is an equation, remember you please. So further what will it is? 2x plus 3x 5 and 1 minus 2 3s are 6x square. Here 10 functions to be transferred. So what is that here? 1 10 pi by 4 1, it's a 5x 1 minus 6x square. This can be written as 5x 1 minus 6x square, or it's a 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. A typical quadratic equation coming here. So x is equal to under root minus b. Okay, it's a 5 here, plus minus 5 square minus 4 AC, 4 6 and minus 1 is there. Do you remember this in the 10th class? 2 into a. So what will be here? It's a 5 plus minus 24 6 are 24 plus 24. What will here? 49, and it's what? 12 will be there. So further 5 plus minus 7 will occur, and then 12. So if you will take as a sum, it will come 12 by 12 means 1. So x will here 1, and if you will take the difference, so 5 minus 2 by, so minus 1 by 6 will occur. So you need to tell here what is getting means what satisfying the what type of function. This is the tan inverse function, 2 function of tan inverse. So what is the domain of tan inverse? Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. What is the domain? So you have to remember the domain and put the values here, 1 or minus 1 whether will come here this. Okay, so what the right answer for this? The one of them is giving negative or positive. Okay? 1 by 6 negative, minus 1 is satisfying the relation. No, it's a minus 1 is coming. Why this is the mistake here? I am telling it's what? Plus, and I took this. Where is that? It's a plus. Okay, it's a plus. So there's some 5x square, correct it is, and here will be 2 3, it is correct here. This also correct. B square minus, forget here. Is that clear? So here minus again. So it will be minus 1 or it will be plus. So minus 1. What is the domain here? Since domain for the function is what here? Open pi by 2. No, it's the domain, right? What is the domain of that? Minus 1 2 plus. Open it is, not the close. You may see the domain. What is that? This is. What is the domain of 10? Yeah, this is a real number. Is giving the, so if I will take minus 1, so is it giving for that here? No, this will not come in the domain here. However, the domain is real, but minus 1 does not have an image right now. So this is not coming in the, for this domain, the range will not come in use. So will not be taken as the, clear? Now next question is, so all the questions to be solved by you now. Miscellaneous. How many questions miscellaneous are there total? 15 16 questions are there. Okay, first question, can you solve this? Obviously direct. If you give the 13 pi by 6, you need to check whether it's coming in the range or not. If not, then to solve by the first you will do. Second, can you solve? The same method is there. Third, the 2 is to be solved first. Okay, 2 sin inverse 3 by 5 is to be first, this is to be solved here. 2 sin inverse 3 by 5, you will bring this as a tan function. Okay, and then to solve either side. Is that clear? And second, the same also, I told you the method here. So you will solve up to the 6th question here. Is that clear, guys? Do practice for them. If you can't solve, then I will tell you this tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.